Hey everyone, Alexa here to show you how I travel with my Lympha Press Optimal Plus. I remove the plug and the hoses from the front of the Optimal Plus, and I take the packing materials from when I originally received the pump to secure it and make sure it's kept nice and safe in my suitcase. Now I take the leg sleeves and the hoses and I put them in a convenient zipper compartment that my suitcase has, and I zip it up so everything is nice and snug and doesn't move all around during travel. Grab the plug from the wall and wrap that up nice, slip it on in there. Now I can get my clothes, and that's kind of nice extra padding too for the pump. And can't forget my Lymphy friendly shoes either, of course. So I've slipped those in there, and then I buckle it all up so everything's super snug. Zip up the suitcase, and bon voyage, I'm pumped for my trip.